Oh shit! Ah. Yeah, chewy, chewy, chewy.
Nice and casual, over the top, follow the trail through. Brake and let go. And then we're straight into the next one. This one's a bit more gentle. Similar to that one you just did, but not as sharp.
Oh yeah. Oh good? Yeah. Oh.
This one is the easier one of these two.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, just get surprised.
You need more.
You pretty much just straight into it.
Yeah.
But it's not nice and straight into it. When you get down, just stop up by my bike. Ready when you are. Just roll it over, nice and easy. That's it. Beautiful, mate. So easy.
Yeah, dropping in. Hey, wait. Oh, no. What? Yeah.
Not a problem.
Nah, maliit lang yan. So this is the grade 5 Chewbacca. Whew, that's pretty much. Ew.
Bro. Okay, cool. Now we get into the probably the real loose fucking dusty shit. So this here has got a series of rock little drops, not very big, but they are quite jagged.
Yeah.
Right into here. As soon as you come around this corner, you'll see it.
1 foot, 2 feet, 2 feet.
1 foot, very small.
Okay, but
Keep an air out for the back of us too. You can go down the right hand side or you can go down the left. I go down the left even though it's rockier. I stay away from the right knee just because it's next to the trail and I don't want to cut the thing. Alright?
Yeah.
When you cut, now this is pretty intense. This whole section you can't really stop on.
really?
Not really. Because you're going to go straight into a sharp right-hander and down into some scrabbly shit.
Oh, okay.
You see what I mean? I'd stay left.
Yeah, okay. Gotcha.
Cool? Alright. You can go around the log or not, it's up to you.
I'll do the one on the left.
Yeah, okay.
Hindi ko pa na nakita. Oh, this one.
That's it. Good.
Oof. Oof.
Oh, good. Okay. Now we're going to go into some more fucking shoots.
Yeah.
Big roll over down here. It's real scrabbly. You okay? Huh?
Yeah, I've done the roll. It's easy.
No, that's one of them. The bigger one is down there in front of you.
There are like 2 million of them waiting for us.
Yeah. So this is the steepest section on Chewy.
Is that?
Yeah, once we get past this, that's it. That's all
Yeah.
the fucking, all of the steep shit.
And then rock garden, last part, has this.
Yeah, but I wouldn't
Yeah,
count that.
roll it, eh? Oh no!
Believe you can. I believe you can. You need to believe you can as well. It can be done. It can be done. It can be done. Right, commit, 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 commit. Yes, yes, yes! And there you have it, folks. Right, yes,
Well done, Pre.
my man's in Amsterdam.
That's awesome, man.
Mate.
It's just the overthinking thing. It's like
Yeah, and
fucking
that's fine.
Thank you so
holding
much.
me
Yeah,
up, eh?
that's fine.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. We really appreciate
We're not going to let it hold us back though, eh?
Yeah.
You absolutely had it the first time. But it's when you start getting in your head about what might go wrong.
You know, I
Yeah.
saw like the
We're
roots
the
and
same.
stuff like.
I'm the same.
Oh, I should
Now,
I
that's
should-
all the hard
I
shit
should
out
be
the
in
way.
that picture, man.
Oh, yeah,
And
for
the three of us.
Alright. Hey, the boys. Ready? This is on 2-second timer. Ciao.
Yeah, boy.
And now we're on easy mode, down to the rock roll. Okay, it's all flat, level. This is cut out here. Alright? This is all
okay.
cut out here from here. So let-
But you. Ah. Phew. Ah. Ah. Oh, fucking rocks! Yee-hoo. Woo. Thank you, Koshkor! Ah. Yeah! Yeah! You! Oh! Yeah. Sweet.
The last section is all in the natives. We've got a rock roll to contend with
Yeah.
that goes down and to the left, and then just some tight
Turns.
native stuff that's on the edge there. Slow time.
Chewbacca.
So glad we did it with you.
Whew.
Have a drink of water.
Yeah.
Have a drink of water to rehydrate. You're probably feeling a little bit, you know, it sucks you dry, so we want to just keep up our fluids.
At least we're able to clear all the features.
Fuck yeah, we're almost done. That's fucking brilliant.
I'll do it again next time.
His ass.
Yeah, I think it's a long rock roll over there. Hey,
Yeah, it sweeps up and to the left and goes down,
yeah, I think after that it's just too easy.
and it's just nice and tight.
Yeah.
So,
Treat,
very not as sharp as going in, but you
align yourself as
commit the
again.
line
Yeah.
to go through. Just like you've done.
is it
You've gotten
steep?
all the way through here. This part here is pretty much.
I think it's not that steep. It's
No,
just
it's
like
not. It's
We
just
did
a very
was-
short turn, eh?
what we did was like way more steeper.
Yeah, yeah, that there, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, you did well. That section there is the steepest part.
Cool.
Ew. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you can do it.
Ito pala yun. Hindi lang ako ready.
I think there's a
I wasn't ready. Kasi hindi ko siya nakita eh.
tingnan ko nga. Hindi ko yan nakita ulit.
Where I am now is where you want to end up.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't ready. I mean, it caught me by surprise.
Yeah. This one is not as aggressive as a turn.
Yeah. Come on, you.
Perfect.
Woo! Ah! Ah!
That happens because you're braking looking straight ahead.
I have to admit, it's a little bit scary.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
but once you're
Worse, not that.
once you aligned your bike on that thing,
Yeah, you're coming in here, so you're letting off the brakes, checking on top of this roller, and then checking here and looking into this turn.
Yeah.
So I could tell because you were looking straight ahead to here, so that's where you went. And you didn't turn, so I was like, oh yeah.
because I was gonna go.
Yeah, like, you want to go this way, but you're looking at that way. So look where you want to go. All right, cool.
Let's go.
Last 5 minutes and we're off.
All right.
Not even.
All tight, narrow, no drops, no fucking just roots and just thingy.
The scurry area. And then ah! Let's go! Ito na tayong last part eh. Yeah!
Yeah!
Ah!
Made it alive.
Yeah!
Epic. Proud of you guys.
Yeah, thanks.